One of the most powerful questions I have ever heard, let alone from a 14-year-old, let alone you don't think she's a Muslim. She said the following, she says, why don't I have this relationship with Allah that makes me stand up for Salah? She didn't say, I don't pray. She knew Salah is a relationship with Allah. And she brought the question after I gave the whole hour about how sin weaken and sever your relationship with Allah. SubhanAllah, when you really want to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is to everybody, the most important thing in the step, in that process, you know what? You really want it. He looks inside you and me. He looks inside you and me and say, are you sincere? Is this real? And he doesn't ask you. He sees and he knows. If you are sincere and by Allah you mean what you said, and I'm sure this girl, I haven't seen her afterward, I'm sure she was sincere. She really wanted to know, why doesn't she have this relationship? If you really want to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will open the doors for you.